What's up mga yoy? Welcome to another pork butakal cooking video. We have here again 1 kilo of pork butakal, which is very maparat but very malasa. But wait, there's more. We also have here karning not sure. Not sure because it's baka. You know, baka, not sure, baka. Cornebro nga po niya. Since it's baka and very matigas, and we don't have here pressure cooker kayos ng put, we're going to pakalakaga this in nakasirola and let it buruk-buruk for about 10 minutes and duwang simana. As we wait for our nilagang not sure to buruk-buruk, we are now going to prepare our pork butakal. We're going to cook pork butakal adobo with sitaw. If you have arthritis, this video is for you. Pilay kong pilay. We also have here lantang kipayaw, pichay palan. This is for our nilagang not sure. Oh, see? Our nilagang not sure is already nagburuk-buruk. Look at that. Look at the karning buto-buto. That's very malasa. Oh, see? Our nilagang not sure is already done. Oh, look at the sabaw. Sobrang malasa ng sabaw. Okay, let's now proceed to our pork butakal, which is very maparat but very malasa. We are now going to cook pork butakal adobo with sitaw.
Oh, yan. Kitik na yan. Kitik na yan. Bagus mo yan. Tornado. Paigot. Tornado. After the tornadong kulag, we're going now to put the pork butakal to the ginisang prikado. Listen to the kirikiti. Oh, that's the sound of the kirikiti. It's like the lagatak of the ura na nagbubunok-bunok to your bubong na walang kisame. We're also now going to buntog the tauyo, which is the markang pato. As well as the sitaw, we're going now to buntog that, of course, because it's very malasa, very good partner of the adobong butakal. If you have arthritis, this video is for you. You can eat this, no? You want this? You can eat this. Of course, you can eat this, but make sure the preparation of your medication, okay? As long as it's malasa, pilay kung pilay. Oh, see? Just like that. Our pork butakal adobo with sitaw is already done. So I'll look my rice. Oh, of course, the very malasang sabaw of our nilagang not sure. Oh, diba? We also have here sausawan, the patis, lada, and suwa. Very malasa. Fuerte. Oh, look at our nilagang not sure. So many kipay. Ay, pichay palan. Of course, we're going now to muak-muak our pork adobo butakal first. Oh, muak-muak yoy. Basta pork butakal, muak-muak malala yoy. Sis Mercep, very dusta. Dusta ununununun. Hey yoy, try the sabaw. Yes, try the sabaw. Yes. The sabaw is very fuerte. Very malasa. Look at yoy. Marasa ka pa yoy. Very paslo. Alright, don't forget to like and follow Yoy TV. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next video. It's your one and only Yoy. Peace out. Goodbye. Malasa.
What's up mga yoy? Ipinakikilala ko sa inyo ang larong Una Game. Ang Una Game isang play-to-earn mobile game na pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro lang. Mag-register lang, kumpletuhin lang lahat ng details na nakikita sa screen at i-confirm. After mo ma-confirm mga yoy, rekta ka na sa game. Marami kang pwedeng pagpiliin na laro dito mga yoy sa Una Game. Isa na nga dyan mga yoy ang larong Dragon Tiger. Ang larong Dragon Tiger mga yoy ay isang laro na kung saan tataya ka lang kung sa dragon ba o sa tiger. Magpapataasan lang kayo ng baraha mga yoy at kung sino yung mas mataas na baraha, syempre siya yung panalo. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali mga yoy. Naglalaro ka lang pero kumikita ka pa. Sa Una Game lang yan mga yoy. At kung gusto nyo na mag-withdraw, i-click nyo lang mga yoy yung withdraw dyan sa baba. I-bind nyo mga yoy yung Gcash details nyo at ilagay nyo yung withdraw amount. Rekta Gcash nyo na yan mga yoy. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ano pa hinihintay nyo mga yoy? I-download nyo na ang Una Game. Nasa comment section ng video na to yung link kung saan pwede mo siyang i-download. Matik na yan.
Una ka sa Una Game.